Bonjour et bienvenue. Je m'appelle Nishu. Good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel on a new video. So our today's topic is les articles indefinite. Les articles indefinite means indefinite articles. So as we all know that we have definite and indefinite articles in English, the same way we have indefinite and definite articles in French. Okay, so before starting, let me ask you, how many of you knows that how many indefinite articles we have in English? Good. We have two indefinite articles in English, that is a and an. But in French we have three indefinite articles. So let's start. Alright. So we have two things here like singular and plural. So as we all know that in French, everything is divided into singulars and plurals. Singulars, we pronounce it like singulier, and plurals, we pronounce it as pluriel. In singulars, we have masculine and feminine. For masculine singulars, in indefinite articles, les articles indefinite, singulier masculine, we use un. Un means un. Un. For feminine singulars, in indefinite articles, we use un. And for plurals, whether it's masculine or feminine, we use they. No matter it's feminine or masculine, we always use they. So this is for a and this is for a and and this is for they, some, means some quantity. So basically, what are these indefinite articles? Like we have a and an as our indefinite articles in English and they in French. So what are these indefinite articles? These indefinite articles refer to the unspecified quantity. Unspecified quantity of what? Unspecified quantity of maybe a person, maybe a thing, of anything. So that is why we call it unspecified, means indefinite when it is not specified. For example, a pen. Which pen? Whose pen? That's not specified. That is why we are using a pen. A book. Which book? What color of the book is this? We don't know. That's unspecified. So that is why it is a book. An eraser. What is the color of this eraser? This eraser belongs to whom? We don't know. Again, unspecified. That is why it is an eraser. So for the unspecified quantities, we call it indefinite articles. So let's learn further this topic with few examples here. Alright. So first we have is crayon. Crayon is masculine. Singular. So we will use un crayon. Then we have reel. Reel is scale, feminine. We will use iron. Then we have garçon. Garçon is boy. One boy, masculine. We will use un. Then we have crayon. But it is ending on S. It means this is a pluriel. So for the pluriel, we will always use they. They. Then we have, this is masculine. Then we have règle. Again, it is ending on S. So it is, although it is feminine, but pluriel. So we will use they. Then we have fille, ending on S, means girls, feminine, but still we will use they because this is again plurial. Then we have bas. Bas means stockings, and this is masculine. We will use un. Then we have nez. Nez means nose. We will use un. This is again masculine, singular. Then we have gâteau, means cake. Again masculine, You will use are. Alright, so these are some examples of lesarticle indefinite articles. Hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.